Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options. So we've got the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. Right now it is highlighted, so we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. As you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, depending on which option you've chosen, and after the time it will take a photo. Alright, of course you can change it whenever you want to, and you can turn it off just by tapping on this kind of clock icon or the timer icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.